You scored 6 points. You are hereby rewarded with 827,000 naira.
Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Dorothy and Tricky T in hot showdown. Dorothy and Tricky T fight on Thursday night after they finish the sponsor task of the day. You can call it money palaver, and you can also call it a sore loser palaver. Whichever way, you can be sure to have defined it very well. All the housemates were given a chance to smile after they were done with the task because there was no clear-cut loser at the end of the day. Everybody went home with a prize. Though they all got a point for tasting the different noodles made by the housemates with their special ingredients while they tried to guess who cooked it, then this is the twist. The 4 million naira given to them was to be shared according to the points they have got.
You both won 413,000 naira each. V. Lecon Dorothy.
Yes, big brother.
You are hereby rewarded with 551,000 naira each. You are hereby rewarded with 689,000 naira.
Dorothy's countenance showed that she was not happy with the way the money was shared, and Tricky T noticed it, so he approached her. The room became hot when Dorothy told Tricky T that he would not be saying that if he had gotten 3 points. Responding to this, Tricky T called Dorothy a sore loser, that she should be happy that she still got $500,000 naira she did just for cooking noodles.
Please. You know they're working here insulting you. You just did. So you don't really have the right to call me a loser. Because you just said if I want them to, I'll be happy that I got 400K for cooking dough. Thank you, loser team, loser.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks.